Hey guys, what's happened? How to access TikTok using VPN in 2025. First of all, choose a reliable VPN. You can go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and choose trusted VPN like ExpressVPN or Surfshark or NordVPN. Okay. Next, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and install the VPN and sign up for a plan, or you can use your own settings. If you have already set up your own VPN, go ahead to the general, then scroll a little bit down, go to the VPN and device management, and then add a VPN configuration. Okay, and basically connect to a server right after you download it. So basically select a place or location where you will be able to use the VPN fast, differs from country or from region to region, and then basically clear cache or data. Okay, go back to your screen, then go ahead to the general, stay in the general. Okay, and then go to the iPhone storage. Then you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within TikTok. Okay, you're gonna upload and then reinstall it once again, and then reopen TikTok, and that should do it. Okay, launch the app and enjoy the unrestricted access. Okay, so as we mentioned before, go to the VPN and then choose a place where you can connect using your VPN, right? And then you're gonna be able to start using the TikTok with ease. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And if TikTok still doesn't work, switch servers or enable obfuscated mode if available. So see you in the next one.